Ever seen a bug so green it could vanish on a leaf? Meet the green aphid, nature's sneakiest plant ninja. These little sap suckers can literally clone themselves. No mates needed. Just one aphid can kickstart an invasion. Aphid moms give birth to live young, who are already pregnant. It's like insect inception. Their worst nightmare? Ladybugs. Green aphids are basically the main course in a ladybug buffet. Love learning wild facts about tiny creatures? Hit that subscribe button before an aphid army takes over your houseplants.